Welcome back. Let's try some more coding exercises for logical operator. So we would like to write one program that checks to see if the number that is read from the user is divisible by both 3 and 5. So here we read the number from the user, we store it. Using logical operator, we check to see the number if it is divided by 3, and using modular sign we can see its remainder. So the remainder of the number divided by 3, is it equal to 0 or not? So if it equals 0, and at the same time when the number is divided by 5, its remainder equals 0, and both of these two conditions are true, then we print this to the terminal for the user. Otherwise, we say that, okay, this number is not the number that we are looking for. So let's compile to see how it works. So for the AND logical operator, both of the conditions must be true. So if I mention 3, it says no, your number is not divisible by both 3 and 5. Why? When 3 is divided by 3, okay, the remainder equals 0. However, for this case, for the second condition, it doesn't work. Let's try another number. So if I put 5 here, again, we have the same message here. It says that, okay, this is not divisible because the second condition is correct because the number is 5. So 5 divided by 5, the remainder would be 0. However, for the first condition, it's not true, it's not correct. Therefore, it escapes this if condition and directly goes to the else and print the outcome that the number is not divisible by both 3 and 5. So let's try another number. I would say 15 this time, and this time it says that, okay, the number is the number that we are looking for. Because 15 divided by 3, its remainder would be 0, and the same goes with this statement, this if condition, saying that if 15 is divided by 5, its remainder equals 0. Therefore, this statement is printed in the output. As you see, working with logical logical operator helps us to write a more efficient code. It would be nice a priori to writing a program, think about it deeply to see how we can integrate these features that are there for us to make our code more efficient and more advanced and concise.